Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at a Sony Xperia 5 Mark II. Okay, if you have the phone like this, you will find here on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a little notch in there, and with your fingernail you enter that notch and lift this cover up here like this, and then you can remove the SIM tray. So in this SIM tray you are able to enter a SIM card and a second one if you want, or a SIM card and a microSD card. Okay, so let's start with the first SIM card. You put it always here at the first position like this. So missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below. And in case, if you want to have a second SIM card, it is possible. So just put it like this and that position here. And yeah, also missing corner, missing corner. And the contacts are below as well. Yeah, and as I said, you can enter also a microSD card, but then you have to remove the second SIM card in case you have one. So you cannot use two SIM cards and a microSD card at the same time, because the microSD card needs that place here. So everything is tiny. So, but at the end, it has to look like this. And the contacts are below as well. Okay, so if you're ready, then just put your construction back here into the phone like this. Shake a bit that nothing jumps out. Take care and close it. Yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in me. Just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.